Hi, I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn, and today we don't exactly match.
No, this is the new way to match, is to clash. And yeah, so we've been matching all along and clashing all along, but not and loving all along. But we're making tofu scramble today, which is everybody loves. And it is in our Plant Strong cookbook, and it's on page 141 if you're following along. It's called the Bolden Creek Spicy Scrambler. And Bolden Creek is a great cafe in the Austin, Texas area, and this is actually their recipe they gave us for this book. When did we make this book? How long ago was that?
It's such a good recipe.
It's great. And first thing you do is take this is a block of tofu. Top shot. Here you go. It's just it's firm. This is actually super firm.
And this is the super firm, which Jane likes a lot.
For this,
sometimes hard to find.
But I like it for dishes like this. I mean, when you're making, when we make our silken,
tofu things,
our mousses and frostings and puddings and stuff, that you need to use silken because it's so smooth. If you use this kind of tofu to make a pudding, a frosting, or a mousse, you will make cat litter. It will be chunky, dry, clumpy cat litter. I like it not so broken up. I like it looking, because we're trying to make it look like, you know how scrambled eggs have sort of a torn, but it's been hard to describe.
I can't even remember what a scrambled egg looks like.
Just like pieces. It looks like it's kind of baked pieces. So I'm making, we're trying to make this look a little bit like that. I mean, not a lot. Okay. Anyway, so just tear it up. I'm being a little slow about it, sorry. And you can make them small if you wish.
Should I turn the stove on?
Not quite yet, because there's one move we got to do. So we, to this broken up tofu, this sort of torn into pieces your size, make it small, make it, crumbled if you like it that way. I'm just trying to make this look like, the way it looks at Bolden Creek, kind of like scrambles. So that's that. And then to this you add, just because tofu it's just free of flavor. It adopts whatever flavor you want to give it. It's just really insecure friend, however you want to interpret that adoption of things. So 2 teaspoons of tamari or Bragg's amino or whatever you want to use. This just gives it a little bit of
flavor.
A little flavor, a little to grab onto. And I'm just going to toss it actually because my hands have already been on it. So now, Anne, go ahead and turn it on. And if you use a firm tofu or a medium term tofu, definitely squeeze it with a towel. But this super firm stuff, I didn't need to squeeze at all. Okay, so that's the first part of the directions, is to squeeze it with a towel and make sure, otherwise it'll be gummy. Okay, so in a small on our cutting board here, we've cut up half of a jalapeno and half of a poblano. No, not going to go in. Not going to go in.
Poblano, and
what? Jalapeno.
This is jalapeno.
Yes, I left
poblano.
Yes, I left those there so we could have examples of what they look like. We used half of each of those.
So what do you want in first?
We diced up a little bit more.
More?
Yeah. Okay. So what you do first is combine the jalapeno and the serrano pepper and the garlic and the cilantro. And then combine, there's a curry powder. I have to get curry.
Jane, does this go in the pan?
No, not yet. Hold on. I want to do it right. We always do things our own way, and there's a way that they've done it. So our pan, turn it down. So in this is one bowl. I know it's not a bowl. And then this bowl, we put a cup of nutritional yeast. And we're going to need black pepper. Fee, fi, fo, fum. And curry powder. So crumble the tofu in your hands into jagged, that's a great word for what eggs are, and pieces. And then we put in the tamari like we did. Add the tofu and the dry mix to the pan. So we're going to add the tofu. Hold on, full cup. That's good. That's fine. Actually, no, that's fine. Okay. And then add that in. We're going to add the black pepper. And do stir that around. Can you hold that? All right. This is
kind of dry in there.
I know, and it's blazing hot. This pan, stir it on up because what it's going to grab.
Sticking.
It's going to grab. It's going to grab. You have to push hard. If you can't, I'll get in there. I know it's
I'd
tall.
need
It's
a
tall.
tovolo for that.
And what this does is it slowly just coats on. We have to get the curry in there though. Anne, can we get the curry? So the curry. Hold on. And we
How
need to
much
get
curry?
That's what I'm trying. This recipe straddles a couple pages. We need to get. Oh my gosh! We need turmeric.
Turmeric's
One
key.
teaspoon of curry. Put the 1 teaspoon of curry in there. I'm gonna get off the heat. This is great. We're gonna. Oh, it was wet.
Curry. Oh, no.
Yeah.
Curry.
Yeah. And this is turmeric, and we need quarter teaspoon of turmeric. But I know you're gonna probably put a full teaspoon. Put a half maybe. We always add more. Okay, this is sort of sticking. Just,
Get as much turmeric into you as you can.
yeah, it's beautiful. And it's really great to have that with black pepper that we just added. So this is on its way to being our tofu scramble. It looks like it's dry, and your tofu is gonna, absorbs it all. It will absorb it all. Just keep stirring it around.
See, it gets it right up the bottom.
Well, it's as the moisture from the tofu comes out and it sort of grabs onto it all.
When do I get to put my peppers in?
Once this is kind of well coated, we, careful. Okay, so we have this, oh, sorry, is my black pepper in the way? I'll just do one last fee-fi-fo-fum and take it out of the way. Okay, now, once this is all cooked down, or grabbed on, clung on, keep stirring it around, and it will cling to the tofu. Add that in, and then you're done. And what this adds is a little bit of just cha-cha, zing, and some heat. And I know Wade here, our genius behind the cameras,
Is a heat man.
he likes heat, so he's going to have it try this and love all the heat, and probably also put hot sauce on it, right?
My mouth is watering.
Your mouth is watering.
Yes, hot sauce.
Thinking of the hot sauce or thinking what this is?
Oh, this.
Okay, does
See,
not
this
take.
tovolo gets down to the bottom, and that wooden thing doesn't do it.
It's doing just fine, by the way. What? Look at my stripe. There, top shot. See how I'm plowing through the. It's like a snow plow, clearing away the drifts.
That's because I cleared the way for it. See, I've done it. Ooh, this looks good.
Okay. Oh my gosh, all the pepper. Achoo! Woo! All right, this is done. And this is awesome. And can't wait to try it. Oh my gosh, the black pepper is it's just tickling. I can feel like, whew.
Well,
Huh.
I'm still on the job.
Okay, you're still on the job. I think I'm gonna. Okay, I'm back. It's just so tickly in that specific pepper spot.
When I put in cayenne in anything, I start to sneeze.
Cayenne's your thing?
Yeah.
Black pepper got it for me. Okay. And now that it's cooling down, or it's not as like on high blow.
But, I guess the thing to
all
do
cling.
is just hang in there.
Yeah.
Even though it looks as if it's maybe sticking, because it isn't really bad.
It's wipe all that stuff off, and so we can get back in the mix. Yeah. And then that gets coats around. Okay. So we're ready to taste this. And Wade, I'm gonna get some hot sauce. Oh. I'm gonna get
surprisingly good.
surprising. We knew it was gonna be good.
I know, we've had it before, but
Yeah.
it's always surprising that it's good.
Wade, do you like sriracha? Yeah, sriracha's good.
That'll work.
That'll work. Okay.
I can't wait to have us serve this up, and then you can see
Here,
how the
let's
bottom
get
of the
it.
pan isn't all stuck up.
Stuck up.
this
That
towel-
sounds like a middle school term.
Because
she's
this-
so stuck up.
No, Jane, because it's stuck in then.
Yeah. Okay, I want the camera to see a good picture of what this is. Here, can you see this? Top shot or wave shot or?
Yeah, I'm coming. Turn this way a little bit. There. Oh yeah, you can see it.
Yeah, yummy. Yummy, yummy. And some of this like flavory stuff, just swirl it around. Okay, let's serve this up. Where's my wooden one? Just because it's wider, not because it's better. Oh, she got rid of it in the sink already. Okay, this is. I'm gonna. Ooh, can you hold the thing for me, please? Yum. Okay, wait, I'm giving you some extra green pepper poblano heat in yours. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Actually, these look kind of meager. Let me make these a little bit more full. What do you think?
No.
Yeah? Just it looks like.
We
I want to see how like.
4 for Brian.
Well, he's not in the room, so he's losing out.
Oh,
Perfect. Oh, lots of peppers here. Wade, this is going in yours. Ha ha ha. Okay, great. And you can put some heat on yours. Okay, Wade, you try yours there with some hot sauce. We're gonna give ours a go. With just plain old recipe, Golden Creek. Oh, it's good. It's good.
I like it. I like the little pieces better than the big chunks.
Oh my God! Look, let me show how much. He just squirted so much
Oops.
sriracha.
It came out like crazy.
Are you gonna eat that?
Yeah, I'm gonna eat it.
Do you mind
but
that much heat?
I guess not.
You're gonna like that much heat. Wow.
Oops.
Whoops. Oh my gosh. Can you really go with that?
Yeah.
Is it good?
It's perfect.
It's
That's
perfect.
good.
That's great. Brian, you want to try some? Okay, we'll save you some. All right. Thank you. Enjoy your tofu scramble. However you coat it with hot sauce or use none.
Or use it in littler chunks or big chunks.
Yeah, there you go. Big ones, a little one. Your call. All right, bye-bye.
Bye.